Good morning, guys. So I am just now waking up. I went ahead and brushed my teeth. I have gotten so good while I'm here about brushing my teeth. Like, I know that sounds crazy, y'all. I brush my teeth every morning. The hardest part was the nighttime. And granted, right now I am like hyped up to be here. I'm trying my best to like be on this consistent wave and just change my life. So right now, I guess I can't say I am a little motivated, but last night was a real test. I stayed up editing and I was super tired, but it's just something about having fresh breath when you wake up, like ain't stink. Sorry, it might get a little loud because I'm now about to move my desk in the room because first thing first we need to do is build this desk because I actually need to get my computer built so I can sign into work. So I need to hurry to get this done before she's up and, asking why I didn't do it last week because boo, I was moving, okay? This thing is heavy, I'm gonna have to sit y'all down. Okay, so my room is slowly coming together. I'm still on my bed, but guess what, guys? My bed is actually it's out there. The box is out there where I can build it. I just haven't been in a rush because there's no mattress yet. So there was a little issue with my mattress. So it was delivered to an address in Ohio. Reached out to them, told them that, and they gave me a refund. So I'm like, okay. Boo, I still get the mattress. What freak's going on? I'm pretty sure I placed this thing the wrong way. I'm pretty sure I need to turn it around. Oh my gosh, it said don't use a box cutter to open it. Should I listen to that? Probably should, huh? But guys, today's gonna be an interesting video. We're gonna be doing a lot of building, a lot of things. So just stick around. I really can't tell you what we're gonna be doing in this video because I don't know, my work is cut out for me. It's gonna be related to moving. It's gonna be related to getting an apartment together. And I think you're gonna enjoy it because who doesn't love seeing a room come together? All we have right now is this dresser. So having a desk is gonna be such a great addition because guess what, y'all? I've been editing on the floor. So it's gonna be nice to get off the floor. And also I'm gonna have a chair. My chair did deliver, so I'm gonna finally have somewhere to sit down. We gotta be real careful because it said don't use a box cutter. And I don't wanna not use a box cutter, so we're gonna have to just be very careful with what we're cutting. It'll be more than a box. See, I ain't never been with a baddie. I don't know that actual song. I got it from Fortnite. Oh boy. Let's go ahead and start building, guys. Listen, y'all, this is gonna be very hard to put together. This came from China and you can tell. Like, I have no, listen, I don't care. I can already tell I'm gonna be reaching out to customer service. The pieces ain't lined up, stuff not going down properly. It was nothing like putting the dress together. And I'm trying to be calm and patient because I have to do this. And what time is it? It's 9 o'clock already. And I need to log into my freaking computer and I need to get everything done, but this is gonna take forever. Yep, this is this one. Okay. BK, you can have it your way. And then like the corners all messed up. Hopefully I'm not gonna be able to see those pieces. Okay, so I got the desk built. We're gonna try to quickly put this chair together. Hopefully it's quick. right, let's hope and pray that this slides under this desk perfectly, because I need the space for my bed. It doesn't go perfectly, but it's not bad. Let me see how I look under it. Oh, this is nice. I can even go up somewhere. Oh, this is perfect. It's perfect. So I had to move my desk in the middle of the room because my Ethernet cord wasn't long enough. I went ahead and ordered that on Amazon. It should be here before the end of the day. Love being in a big city where I can do stuff like that. I need to wash some clothes, y'all. Believe it or not, I've been here a week now and we have some clothes that need to be washed. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a load of clothes on. Then we're gonna eat some breakfast because your girl is hungry. Not on my sports bra. I need some clothes though. I was also on Shein last night looking for some workout clothes because y'all, I don't have no workout clothes. Put a little order together that can get me through at least 1 week. Like I have some stuff here that I can mix and match and use with it, so it'll put like a few outfits in rotation. And then next we need to get some church appropriate clothes. All my jeans have holes in it. I mostly have like cargo pants. I don't really have like just some straight-legged jeans. So I just want to get a better rotation for church too. I have to start with Shein because it's the most affordable right now. If y'all have a marketplace that's affordable, you can get good quality of clothes, please let me know. Okay, that's way too much. That's gonna have to work. Did I start it? Okay. All right, let's go eat. Thank the Lord. I think after my workout today, I'm gonna have a yogurt bowl because those just hit, boy. But for now, let's go ahead and have banana pancakes. And then I could put the bananas on my smoothie. I can do half and half. Let's do that. Oh, I got a crackety crack in the crackety crack. What's up guys? So I'm just checking in. I am currently about to start editing. I did a lot of stuff with my job. Somebody's cutting the grass outside right now, so it's kind of loud. I put the clothes in the dryer. Now I'm just drinking some orange juice because I just took my iron pill and you know, and I hate orange juice, y'all. I gotta use the restroom before I start editing. I read the Bible today too. I read James chapter 1. Yeah, I want to go explore a little bit today, but I think I'm just gonna chill. I need to order me a knife, taser, and all that stuff to make sure, you know, just so I can feel protected. But honestly, I'm covered by the blood of Jesus. So are we gonna, I just feel like I shouldn't put myself in situations where I can't protect myself, basically. But then it's like, isn't God gonna protect me? Do y'all know what I'm trying to say? It's like, don't say God gonna protect you if you jump in front of a car, because the car's gonna hurt you. Like, it's common sense. But I just wanna go explore. Is that bad? Like, I don't know. I gotta use the restroom, but I think we're gonna go to the gym. I'm going to edit this video, then I'm gonna go to the gym. If after the gym I feel like still exploring, I might call my mom. So we're gonna get back to editing. Actually, I'm just now started. I've been editing for the last 2 days, 3 days, maybe 3-4 days. So we're gonna edit. It's 11:41. I would like to be going to the gym around 1. So we're just gonna edit until my heart desires. It is 1:22. I'm sorry. It is 1:12, y'all. And I got 6 minutes into the video. There's 6 more minutes left to edit, and I'm so excited. The video's looking so good. I'm about to check my work email, and then after, hopefully it's not loud because I got the ceiling fan on. I guess we can test that out. But I want to check my work email, make sure we're good, nothing that they want me to do, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Okay, I figured that's what the issue was. Exiting that out, I am done looking at work information for today. I need to fold clothes up, but I'm not doing that till later. And then my Ethernet cord should be here by the time I come back from the gym. And then I think I'm gonna explore my apartment because there's a lot of co-working spaces and I want to see what they look like, because maybe one day I don't want to edit in my room, so I just want to walk around. I need to take a picture of the map that's downstairs so I can see what I'm working with and then just explore all we have to offer. But let's get some clothes, y'all. I think today we're gonna wear tights. Oh, my quads are on fire. It's back and biceps, so I'm not gonna really have my legs out so I can put some tights on. But when I was doing quads, it was so nice being able to look at my freaking, oh, let me get a shirt. Shirt's on this side, nope, shirt's on the other side. It was so nice looking at my legs. So since I'm doing back and my arms, maybe I'll wear like a shorter shirt to see my arms. Like, I get it. I get why y'all be looking in the mirror now. Oh man, I don't have no, these are some thick black tights, y'all. All right, let's get changed. I'm probably gonna throw these clothes. Oh wait, do I have some tights in? Adidas tights. Let's go, and these are thinner. So we're gonna wear these. And then put these back. Let's throw those in there for now. Okay, guys, I just got back from the gym. Guess what? My Ethernet cord came, so we're gonna move this desk to the right spot. But before we do that, I just had lunch, and I'm about to have me a yogurt bowl. In today's yogurt bowl is gonna be granola. This is chia seeds, hemp seeds, and flax seeds all together. Of course, you can't make a yogurt bowl without the yogurt. And then we're gonna do strawberries. Remember that banana for breakfast, the other half, and then an apple, half an apple. Okay, we have 8. Folded the clothes, washed the dishes. Now I'm finally about to move this desk over here. Y'all not gonna believe what I did. The Ethernet cord is packed back up. I'm taking it to UPS tomorrow. I went ahead and ordered me another one and it should be here 5 p.m. I did the little same day delivery junk, so it should be here today. It's just annoying because, like, why didn't I get it right the first time? But it's okay, mistakes happen. Yeah, I think we're gonna be done for today. Like doing stuff, I'm gonna go back to editing because to me that's just fun. So we'll just edit till my package get here, and then after that package get here, I was like, yo, take a shower because I'm ready to take a shower. I'm actually kind of full and tired. The workout was really good though. Like I told you, it was back and biceps. Really good workout. Super tired though. Quads are on fire from yesterday, and then plus I ran today, so they're on fire. But this is the fit though. It went well together. Adidas, and I wore my Vans. But yeah, let's move this desk. I think I'm just procrastinating because I don't want to do it. I was tired and I did not want to cook dinner anymore, so I made me some ramen noodles, y'all. I am done for the night. Listen, we can't win it all. And I had a pretty good day. I'm just ready to eat this and take a shower and go to bed. I am so tired. Tomorrow I gotta walk to UPS because I ordered the first Ethernet cord. That's the wrong size. Take that back to UPS so that I can be able to get my money back. I just love these noodles so much better than our noodles. They're Japanese noodles. You know what they remind me of? Our cup noodles, but they give you way more than our, you know, bag noodles and our cup noodles, and it's so much flavor. Now there's a lot of sodium, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, every once in a while it ain't bad. So I just got done eating, so I'm gonna give you a view of the desk so you can see how it looks. There's a lot of stuff on the desk, and I haven't like did my cord management yet. It'll be done not in this clip, but in a future video or something. So here's what it's looking like. And I have my Ethernet cord running from here. And what I'm gonna do is, they provided me with these. I'm gonna take it. Oh, sorry y'all. My leg still hurt from leg day. I'm gonna just run it through there. And it'll just run. It'll just run, and then it'll drop off, and then it'll get pushed to that corner and go all the way around. But yeah, I think it looks really good. I'm loving all the wood tones in my room. And then I think the white just really brings out the wood. And then you remember the dresser. It is very dirty right now. I am so sorry. I think I'm writing the video right here. I'm gonna take my shower and I'm going to bed. I got a lot accomplished today and I'm proud of myself. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.